How to change Facebook profile link. So if you want to change your Facebook profile link, then you need to open up your Facebook on your browser. So you just need to simply go with browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then go and search for Facebook and make sure to log into your Facebook. Once you've logged into your Facebook on your browser, you need to go with the upper right corner, which has that profile option. Tap on profile, and then here you will get the option of settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and then go with settings. And here you'll be able to see a list of these options. So on the left hand side, you want to make sure that you are under your profile settings. If you have the general option under your settings, then you can simply go with general, or you can simply go with the account center option. Tap on account center, and here you need to go with profiles. Under profiles, you need to again go with the profiles, and here you will have the username option, right? So simply tap on the username. Once you tap on it, now here you will have the username. So you can simply turn on your username and then tap on confirm. So if you have not set your username, then you can set the username. Once you've set, now here you will have the username, right? So what you need to do is simply go with edit username. And if you change your Facebook username, then simply tap on done. And once you change your Facebook username, then your profile link will automatically be changed because it's linked with your username, right? So you just need to simply change your username. Once you've changed, your profile link will also be changed. So you can simply send the username or your profile link to others, and they'll be able to add you. So that's how you can change your Facebook profile link. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.